From the first deportation in August 42 till October 42, 3/4 of the deportees were catched by the German. With they went, from house to house to catch the people, and the people began to hide because they understood what happened. So it began to be difficult to catch the people. Even Belgium is, it was very difficult because it's a small country with a very high density of population. You have no wide spaces where like in France, where you could hide. So it was very difficult, and some people went from family to another family to hide. My parents, they remained the same family for 2 years. So from October 42, it began to be difficult for the Nazi to catch the people. So in what happened in the first 3 months, they catch the people. They remain in Mechelen, where the barracks were, because it's just between Brussels and Antwerp, where the train was coming to take the people to go to Auschwitz, because 95% to 99% of the people from Belgium went to Auschwitz. They catch the people, and they remain maybe in the barracks maybe for 1 or 2 days, because they need 1,500 people to send them by train. But from the period of October, it began difficult. So the people began to remain in the barracks in Mechelen. And what did the German? They opened small, what we can do, factories, small factories to not to let the people not to let the people do nothing doing, if you understand what I mean. So they opened a shoe repair, they opened a leather goods repair, and a small factory, and also for clothes. And my parents-in-law were there also. My parents-in-law were in the leather goods.